So guys, when we first got this plant and when we first brought it into the house, there was a bundle of leaves on it. But after that, we totally forgot about it. And we haven't watered it since then because we forgot about it. And we thought it was completely dead and my dad watered it and now it's coming back to life. And once there is a bunch of leaves on it, we're gonna wait to see which branches are dead and which ones are alive. And then we're gonna trim the branches that are dead. And then we're gonna have another healthy plant. But for now, I'm not gonna do anything yet until we know which branches are dead and which branches are not dead. So, it is January 7th, 2019, and it is still winter, and this is the growth on this plant. And as you can see, there's various healthy branches, but some dead ones, and we're gonna cut off the dead ones pretty soon. If these branches don't grow leaves by next week, then we're probably gonna trim them to make them look nice. So this is what the plant looks like. Wait, I'm gonna walk in and then do it, and then I'm gonna just. Here is our bonsai now. And as you can see, all the branches without green leaves that look pruny and old, those are the dead branches that we're gonna cut off today. This branch we know is for sure dead. So we're just gonna clip it off. And this branch is dead for sure, all the way up to right here. So I'm gonna clip it without hurting the green leaf. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, this branch is definitely dead, and it goes all the way up to here, so we're gonna cut it about right here. And if you're not sure if it's dead or not, as you can see, this is where we cut it, and it's all brown and crunchy, and it's really easy to break. So we definitely know that that's dead. And we know that this branch is dead, so we're gonna cut it right here. I'm just gonna rotate it and look around to make sure that we're cutting the dead ones. And I wanna make sure I'm not cutting mistakenly, so I'm gonna use these tiny shears and cut this branch right here. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. And I wasn't sure if it's dead or not, but now we know that it's definitely dead because it's brown here and there's dead leaves. This one is also really dead, definitely. So I'm gonna take the little shears again and cut this little branch off. Here's another little branch. This one, guys, is jumbo dead. Let me just make sure. Yep, it's definitely dead. And here's two baby ones that I found that are also dead. This one's just a tiny bit growing, but it's also dead here. So I'm gonna encourage the growth and trim it. And I'm pretty sure that this entire branch is pretty much dead, so I'm gonna cut it and make sure. Yep, dead. This one is healthy, but it's growing a little too long, so I'm gonna encourage the branch growth and cut it right here. And there's usually gonna be two more branches that split both ways, so it's gonna be a bigger tree in a couple of months. And it's unfortunate that this big branch is dead, so we're gonna have to prune it. Dead up to this point, so I'm gonna trim it right here. And this one is still healthy also, except it's dead up to here, so we're going to trim this right here. Yep, that was dead. Again, this one's also healthy up here, but not very over here, so I'm going to cut it right here. And we're hoping that branches grow from there. And for these two, I'm just going to clean up the dead tips. I wasn't really sure about this branch, so I'm just going to leave it for now. And if there's no growth in this branch in a couple of weeks, then we'll go back and we'll trim it. And I think that's pretty much all the dead branches on this bonsai tree. And look at how much dead branches we cut off today. And for now, this is our bonsai tree.